What do you say? I say, finest kind. Oh, look at that. Well, you can't see it, but there's a dew in the grass. And there's a sort of glass on the water, if not for all the boats that are already going by. Got the groomer down on the beach. That's right, we groom our beaches here in Weymouth. Freshies. And I guess the biggest news is the fact that surf is up. Even at Nantasket, it looks like 2 feet, about 10 seconds. Also, the best news, last night when we went to bed, it was about 81 in the house, and this morning it was about 74. Thank you, radiational cooling. High pressure, responsible for clear sky, temperature cooling to the dew point near 60 overnight. A little bit of fog, but the satellite image says hardly a cloud in the sky. Beautiful weekend, temperature's pretty close to 90. The front's coming in on Monday, that's when it's gonna rain. Why is surf up? There's no storm out there. As a matter of fact, there's a massive high pressure system generating the ground swell today. I had looked at the Ocean Prediction Center forecast and it said maybe we'd get a 5 to 7 second period, and even yesterday it said maybe a 7 or 8 second period, but instead it's a 10-second period. That's a ground swell and it's much better. Light pressure gradient today means we're going to end up with a sea breeze. So probably in the 80s at the beaches, 90 inland. There's Cromwell, Connecticut forecast. The best golfers in the world in New England again this week. PGA travelers. About 90 today and tomorrow before the thunderstorms cool us off on Monday. We do have action in the tropical Atlantic Ocean. Looks like that system wants to cross the southern Windward Islands in a few days and then be perhaps a hurricane way south in the Caribbean, almost in Central America next week. So that's not going to do much for our surf, but it'll be something to watch. Lawns are turning brown by the minute, so not getting any rain this week did not help. Oop, did you see that? Rabbit. What was that? Rex, you missed it. Something just popped out of the garden. Probably eating my things. Look at those tomatoes. Oh yeah, those look great. The cucumbers. I think maybe that's what it was eating. I did put down some rabbit repellent powder, but I'm not sure how well that worked. Yep, see, all the cucumbers are being eaten as they come. Oh, it's hard to have nice things. Plenty of peas. Look at them. Ooh, wow, beautiful. Temperature outside, well, the sun's hitting it, is looks like 74. Plenty of work to do in the garden, but so little time. What else do we have in there? Probably must something eat it. Some pretty big zucchini. Oh yeah, that's too big, right? Can I take this? There it is. Too big. Put that on the grill. Going to a cookout today. And I'll give you a hint. The people there will be named Charlie and Harvey and Bob, and it's a 90th, and then going to a clam bake in Yarmouth. They're both at the same time, 2 hours apart. So another busy day. I'd rather be surfing. I don't really have much to offer. Fireworks were going off. Citizens fireworks keeping us up last night, and did not make a video, but Citizens fireworks watch in effect tonight, tomorrow night. Oh yeah, July 4th, next week. The Euro has a front coming through northern New England next Saturday. Ahead of that, Boston, look at that. Weather.us trying to give us a heat wave leading into the July 4th weekend, so that'll be fun to watch. That's going to be changing. It was cold, now it's hot, and now it's both. It gets much cooler on a Monday the 4th. All right, talk to you tomorrow.